Okay, this review is a little bit different to usual. What I'm going to do is take an initial quick look at the board, and then probably early next year, maybe at the end of this year if I'm lucky, if the weather holds, is I'm going to do a full review on all three of the boards from Whatsup UK. This is about the Pace, the 12foot 6 race board called the Pace. Now, it was all basically shot in one go, so all three reviews will be done sort of as initial or preliminary, I managed to say preliminary, reviews. So these are just short, quick, 2-3 minute long, initial look, and how did I get on with them. Right, that's enough rabbiting on. Whatsup UK official website will be linked down below as well. And let's see how we get on with it. First off, here's Ben, the owner of Whatsup UK. Thanks for letting me get a hands-on with this board. He even carried it to the water. What a gent. So in we get. Do a little running start. Hey, a little wobble. Now that little wobble, because I didn't think it was going to be as stable as it was being a race board. And it was. So I got on and it was all good. Here we are chatting to the Whatsup Armada. There was 20-30 odd people out trying the boards, seeing what they're all about. And I was lucky enough to have a go on this prototype. It's gliding super well. It's incredibly stable. I mean, it was a lot more stable than I was expecting. And it was just a pleasure to ride. And here's Mike from SUP Planet Earth. He's on the other board.
I am well impressed.
The Whatsup Hybrid. We're here in, where are we?
We're in Heel Bay.
Heel Bay, that's it.
Yeah.
In the lovely Devon. We're down here. You probably saw back there that there's lots of other Whatsup boards out there.
Loving life.
Yeah. Now I am painfully conscious that this camera angle is literally going to be straight up my nose. So let's do a little bit of a shifty round. And ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you don't have the correct mount. Right, let's try that for a little bit. What they've done is, we'll show you later when we get out, is it's got like a raised bulbous area that actually displaces water as you're moving. And it's not like it's planned anything or we're having a Whatsup day, but here's another Whatsup board randomly from round the corner.
Yeah, it's just, it grips. You can put extra stress on the rail, and you just know that it's not going to roll, it's going to just dig in.
Yes, it's very stable.
I nearly fell off this. I did a running start, not a running jump, but I just ran in the water, then jumped on it, and then I started wobbling because it was too stable for what I'm used to. So I went to compensate. I mean, that's nuts for a race board.
Is it fast?
Is it? It's just effortless.
Yeah.
Yeah, it helps if you get in the right position. Right, let's go and say hello to everyone else. Let's just take a moment, see how well this glides on the water. It's cutting beautifully. The camera angle doesn't do it justice. It's the Whatsup Armada!
Hi! Glide up!
Handing over the reins now to Mike from SUP Planet Earth.
I think you'll be well impressed with that. I think when you feel the rails, oh mate, do you see what I mean?
First, wait till you stand up on that and you'll notice the difference.
Yeah.
It's obviously thinner because it's raised.
Yeah.
Also, you need to stand back a little bit more than you're used to off down.
Okay.
Because the nose, well, it wasn't diving, but
yeah, it was just
that extra weight on the back. All the links to Mike's content can be found in the description down below. Now, it has a different style to me. He does a lot of distance paddles and various charity work. Needless to say, though, he absolutely loved this board. Okay, so it's the conclusion. Long and short of it is, I was very quick to try and give that board to Mike for him to have a go, because I didn't want to stay on it too long, because I could see it starting to get very expensive, because I immediately wanted to buy one. This wasn't given to me, this was just loaned to me on the big open day. I didn't get the footage that I wanted, I ran out of batteries, new camera, blah blah blah. So the full review that I'm going to do as a follow-up when I go back to see them, I'll show you the board, I'll show you that sort of bulbous nose underneath the rocker that helps push the wakes out of the way. That seemed to make a huge difference. I was just sailing past everybody else with very, very minimal effort. The deck pad is great. I love the colour scheme. It almost looks like a Union Jack in black and red. The leash points, everything about it was great. What I would add, and I do say this about a lot of boards that don't have them, is a camera attachment, somewhere to put your camera, but you can get aftermarket ones that you can put on. In this video, I actually had it on top of my overboard 30-litre backpack, so the camera angle wasn't best. But all in all, when I get another one of these so I can have a proper full review, I'm really looking forward to it. It handled well in the wakes. We couldn't call them waves, they were tiny little things. Even with a really narrow stance, there was no real wobble there. It's a good blend between being nice and narrow, so you've got that race profile, to being wide enough so intermediates, advanced, I mean, I'd say even a beginner could get on this board and be absolutely flying. That's pretty much all I can say, because I need to get back into the water with it and give it a proper test. But all in all, big thumbs up. Check out down below in the description where you can pick one of these up. They now have stock in, I believe. Don't quote me on that one. Everywhere is struggling for stock at the moment. Usual deal, like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one. Cheers, guys. With the West Kitesurf and Whatsupuk guys, and me to normal. Sort of preliminary, I can't even say that word. Let's go again. Is a preliminary, I can't say preliminary. Preliminary. I'm going to go with initial. Okay, what this review is a little bit different to the normal. This is an initial, the initial. Conclusion. How? Start again. Bed. But all in all, a superb bit of kit. I'm looking forward to getting a proper hands-on with one. Bed. Okay, it's the conclusion. How did I get on? Well, let me tell you. Okay, so it's the conclusion. How did I get on? Well, okay, it's the conclusion.